Alright, YouTubers. I gotta open the box. I started cutting it earlier in my video footage on my phone built up. And I don't know where my GoPro is. So this is gonna be like a micro scale garage vlog. We just gotta get this box open. Don secured it really well. Alright, I gotta find some scissors. Alright, got it ripped open. Let's go ahead and wanna hold this phone while I
open it?
Yeah, you wanna open that for me? As Christine opens it, way stronger than me. She's Captain Marvel.
This stupid Packer table rip.
I know. I needed some. Oh, here we go. We got a little Mr. Hulk here. You can open it? Yeah! Let's see what we got.
A bunch of newspaper.
It's not just a bunch of newspaper, buddy. Yeah. We got another Defender kit.
So you can hold it in your hand.
I have to hold it in my hand, you know. I was gonna say something. Got another Jeep kit. Yeah. You want to build that? Huh? Another D4L for the Defender. Yes, that is going into my Defender. I just gave up on putting my doggone atomic back together. These are parts. Don sent me more stickers. Is that it?
Baby one.
Is that it? Yeah. Open it up.
What is that? Can I do that one? Is that the micro?
Yeah.
Micro Orlando?
Oh, it's not an
Orlando.
Orlando.
It's a DOS.
DOS 87.
Oh! Some. Oh! It's the do this one.
I know.
Yeah, I was trying to peel the stickers.
Very careful with that. There's some small parts in there. We'll do an unboxing on that.
Even smaller than the Orlandos.
Oh,
so
yeah.
You could just do it on this video.
I got a lot of stuff out here right now, buddy. That's all the electronics and stuff for it, too? All right.
That's why I was taping it back to it.
All right. All right, I got to get all this stuff in the micro garage and out of my front room. And I just dropped all of my
Come on, Adrian.
spare, what's this, buddy? All right. Let's see here. Here's my axle kit for the K5 Blazer build right here. This is for the A axles right here. So this is going to be a complete build for the A axles. This is going to be awesome. But we got to open this up and see what's all in here. And all the bearings, all the screws. It is a complete axle build. Just from me looking in the bag, I can tell. Complete A axles, front and rear. That's when I saw that, I was like, I gotta throw that in the cart. So I gotta have that because I gotta build the K5. And the K5 is gonna have this frame, this awesome red frame. I don't know how much film I got. I'm at 4 minutes. I'll let you guys know, like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. Oh yeah. I like how everything's in a Ziploc bag and everything's sealed up. Hold on 1 second. And in the bag that was in the goodies, this is the frame. Tiny 4x4. I still got to get some skid plates from Tiny 4x4. And this is made by RC Studios. Okay. Those are sweet looking. Set them right there. And this is for the Defender. I chose the black ones for my Defender.